Sit back, relax, grab a Premier Protein, and enjoy today's Vlogmas day 9. So I'm at work. Let me show you my work from home OOTD. Okay, so it's a crop top hoodie, and let me pan down so you can see my sweet sweats. Let's ignore the boxes and the wrapping that's not there, you guys. But look at how fun these sweats are. They have bling on them. And then, so I'm just feeling cute. I'm over here dancing, a little pop of belly. I don't know, I just feel really cute in this outfit. Again, like yesterday, it definitely improved my mood yesterday wearing that outfit, and I did end up wearing it to Home Goods, so don't mind me. I feel like it's a cute outfit regardless, but it was just still comfortable to wear running errands, to wear at the home, working, whatever. In case you guys didn't know, I also work with Bree. Bree works at my new job too. And so she's actually on FaceTime right now, but she's talking to a patient. So I'll try to bring her on via FaceTime when we can. It was cool going through training together and working together. I don't know if I really ever said that in a video. If I did, it might have been like super briefly. So I'm saying it now. She and I work together, which is just so fun. And I picked up a snowman cookie last night from Starbucks because I really wanted one, but I just took a few bites last night, and then I'm gonna have the rest with my Premier Protein for my breakfast today. So here's Bree. She's waiting for a call too. So cute. She just got to start working from home too, so yay for that. Are you loving it so far? Yes, indeed. Did you say yes, indeed?
Hey, I have this on mind.
Anyways, Bree had to get off real quick because she got a call. That's the only bummer is, you know, we don't have a lot of time to talk in between calls. But I mean, obviously we're working, so we can't be complaining. But sometimes we have more time in between calls, like towards the end of the day. We can have anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. So that's really awesome. Then we can like chat a little bit. We also have a team chat on the computer that we can chat. So, and Georgia's literally at my feet hoping I'll drop a crumb of the cookie. I don't know, these freaking snowman cookies, they just hit different. They're so good. I'm starting dance parties in between calls, so let's cha-cha real smooth. Dang it, I got a call already. Be back with a cha-cha. Cha-cha real smooth now. Pump it louder. Squat ever slightly, or don't squat at all if it's gonna hurt your knees, because you know, I know how that goes. Punch it, punch it. And I'm just thrusting at the same time. Ooh, out in it, out in it. Pump it louder, pump it louder. If anyone knows that song, please let me know. Maybe I should sing something more Christmassy. It is Vlogmas, right? All I want for Christmas is you. Ooh. And I can't think of another Christmas song. What about Santa baby, hurry down the chimney for me. Hee hee. I want a Rolex and checks. Isn't that what it is? A duplex? I don't know. I forget all the words. Rocking around the Christmas tree. Jingle all the way. Now I just did a remix. You're welcome. I'm doing my TikTok dance. Roll the dice. Roll the dice. Roll the dice. Put your hands up. It's fun to stay at the phone call is coming. I just got back from lunch. I started purging my closet during my lunch. I ate my food, and then about the second half I was able to purge my closet, and I've got some stuff to donate, and I've got some stuff for Poshmark, so yay. Now I'm just waiting for a call to come in at the moment, and I figured I would go ahead and light my new candle that I got at Home Goods. If you didn't see, the lighting is, whoa, that sun is right there. I have the blind open, but the sun is like beaming in just this area, so it looks kind of mysterious. Ooh. Anyways, I'm gonna light the candle that I got last night. If you saw my video, my Vlogmas day 7/8. Let's light this up. I hate lighting candles. I need to get a really cute one to light because I'm just not a fan of lighters. I always feel like I'm gonna burn myself, but I don't, so hashtag skills. It smells so nice. That's literally one of the nicest things about working from home, is getting to have a candle by your desk and just enjoy the scent. I'm at the end of my day, and like I mentioned before, the last half hour there's usually no calls, maybe one. So it's pretty chill, which is really nice. And I'm gonna just continue going through my closet, which I went through earlier today. And I'm just, like I said, trying to purge, donate some more stuff. Also sell some more stuff on Poshmark. So yeah, let's get some more organization in our life. I just have been feeling really chaotic. I did a closet clean out and a whole organization at the beginning of quarantine. Like I feel like most of us did. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna Poshmark these, I think, because I've literally worn them 0 times, and I have a new pair of faux leather leggings that I'm loving for a leather moment, but much better used by somebody else because they're super cute. I just haven't worn them. And see, that's the biggest thing, is I always have a really hard time with parting things, especially when it is something like that that I literally haven't worn. I'm just like, I feel kind of like bad or guilty or whatever, but I'm like, you know what? I need to either donate or sell, because I do get a lot of clothes with what I do here on YouTube, more than the average person. So I have to be better about purging things because my closet is a wreck. So I just really need to be a little more wary, I guess, of what I'm keeping, you know? I want to have some structure. Oh my gosh, these leggings are so cute. They're a little bit too big for me now. I've only worn them like twice, but they're so nice. They really hold you in. So if you're a size 24, keep an eye out. These are Lane Bryant leggings, only worn a couple times. They are so cute. They have these ties all the way down the sides, and they really hold you in. That's why I didn't wear them too much, because it's only when you want that moment. They weren't like tight where it was uncomfortable, but you definitely had that hold-in factor. Oh, I got these faux leather leggings from Torrid, which I do like these ones as well, but the ones I got from Spanx, I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a whole video on styling them. I'll probably show you guys them soon on my channel somewhere. Not sure where yet, but somewhere. Oh gosh, I forgot about these pants. I haven't worn these in a long time, since I started my job, basically. These are so cute though. I'm gonna keep these because I only really have, you never know what the future can bring. And I had like no workwear. Now I don't need workwear anymore, but these are still really cute. I'm gonna definitely keep these because, like I said, you just don't know what life could bring. What if for some reason I need them again and I don't want to have to buy them again. Oh shoot, see, I'm so glad I'm doing this. These leggings too. Love these. These are workout ones from Fila. Anyways, I'm gonna finish doing this. I am exhausted. I'm finally in bed. I've been purging and getting donations. Jeff is already basically sleeping over there. How you doing, babe?
Falling asleep.
I see that. But I got a lot done today, so that feels really nice. So I'm gonna be donating a lot of stuff, because I even went through old stuff that we just aren't using, like not even just clothes and shoes. I'm really donating a box full of shoes, like a big box. What, babe? Yeah. So that's nice, you know, because last year we made bags that we gave out to the homeless, which was really cool. And I might still do that on a smaller scale this year, but I thought it'd be nice to really focus on getting rid of absolutely everything that we're not using anymore. And donating. And that includes my food, like old canned stuff. Well, not old, but like stuff that's still good, of course, but that we aren't eating. And I'm going to go through that and bring that to a food bank too. Give back a little bit this year. You don't have to spend any more money to give back this year. You know, if you look in your closet, look in your pantry, you know, you probably find something that you could give back. You know, I know some of us aren't able to, you know, because this year has been really hard for some of us. But if you are one of the ones that are fortunate enough to have something in your home to give, I say, why not go through and do a little bit of a give back, you know? It definitely always feels nice, I think, to give back, especially that's the reason for the season, you know? And for my Poshmark sales, I'm going to be donating part of the sales to a charity or a shelter. I haven't decided, but I'm going to do some kind of donation with the Poshmark sales that I get for the rest of December. So we are going to try to list some stuff. Maybe tomorrow we'll start to list some stuff, but keep an eye out for stuff on Poshmark if you want to give a donation that way even. So, yes. And I want to also give back to you guys, my followers. So if you made it this far, congratulations. All you have to do to enter the giveaway, comment below a time that you gave back and it felt really good, or a time that someone gave to you and really helped you and changed your day, life, whether it be something really small or really big. I feel like positive things can really create more positivity, you know? So let me know. Sorry the lighting's bad, but I'm seriously so tired, just in bed. I literally worked throughout my entire work day. And so it feels good though. Like I feel good about it. Like my body, even though I'm tired, but like it's a good kind of tired. You know what I mean? I feel accomplished. So that's always a good feeling too. And anyways, I forgot to tell you guys what you're going to win. It'll be a $50 gift card to Chic Soul. So comment below and I'll pick a winner in Vlogmas Day 11. So make sure to tune into Vlogmas Day 11 too to hear if you're the winner. And that is it for today's Vlogmas. Thank you for watching and remember to just be you. Bye guys.